Hey everybody, let's talk about exam 2. So exam 2 is going to be Wednesday. What is Wednesday? Is that the 1st? April 1st. This is not an April Fool's joke. Exam will be Wednesday, April 1st. I'm triple checking my calendar here to make sure it is. Wednesday is the 1st. Couldn't find the icon. Yes, Wednesday the 1st. Going to be exam 2. It's going to be 3 questions. Okay. There is a practice exam that I just published this morning on Canvas, so you can see, gives you an idea how the exam works. Okay, so basically, here's the idea: is it's going to come in. There's going to be it's all timed, right? All of it is timed, but there's going to be what I'm calling the timed questions, which you'll have 5 minutes each. And what these will be, we're going to talk about how I'm going to grade this in just a little bit, but these will be multiple choice, true, false, check all that apply kind of questions. And basically, what I'm going to ask you in a very short period of time is given the actual test problem. Right? Given the actual, I'm going to give you, there'll be first problem, second problem, third problem. You'll have 5 minutes with that problem to answer some basic questions. And they're basically going to be, what is the simplified form of the conservation of energy for this problem? Or what is the simplified form of conservation of mass for this problem? What other laws, equations, etc. will you use to solve this problem? So you'll have 5 minutes with each, all three of the, 5 minutes with the first question, 5 minutes with the second question, 5 minutes with the third question, to basically identify the major components, correctly identify and simplify the major components for those problems. And then you'll have, right, and then there'll be a second part that'll say, that'll just be the questions. And here you'll have 90 minutes. And the basic idea there is 75 minutes to write a solution, basically answer the questions, and then I'm kind of giving you a 15-minute grace period to scan a PDF and submit it. Give yourself plenty of time to do that. And you probably want to practice doing that. Like, test out, don't use this 15 minutes to download an app, figure out how it works, and then try to get something to Canvas. You want to, before you even try to do any of this, you want to actually make sure that you can scan a solution into PDF, get it to your phone, your tablet, your computer, and then actually load it into Canvas somehow. You don't want to use this. I'm giving you 15 minutes here, but you don't want to have to use that 15 minutes to try to figure all that out. Have that figured out and know exactly how you're going to take something from paper into PDF and have it to where you can load it to Canvas. Have that already figured out before you open this exam up. Otherwise, you will run out of time. The exam instructions are very clear. I will not accept these via email. Do not send me an email of your exam. The PDF scanner that I use, I've just got a free app on my phone. I'm using Android, and there's a free app on my phone, but unless I pay for it, the only way it'll send me a PDF is if I can email that PDF to myself. So either email it to yourself or email it to another email address you have, and then from that, once that email comes in, then I can download that PDF to my phone or my tablet, whatever it is I'm using. And then once I've got that PDF on that device, then Canvas will allow me to upload it to Canvas. Okay. If you have any questions, send me an email. As always, I'm available in the chat room during normal class time. You're going to have all day Wednesday. But again, make sure you figure this out first. Figure out how you're going to do a PDF file first. Make sure you can do that. Feel free to use the practice exam as practice. Make sure you can send, and you don't have to send me the correct solutions on the practice exam. It's just practice. Make sure that you can take some pictures of some papers, generate a PDF of that, and then send that to that practice exam, and make sure you know how that works. Because again, this is not the time period you want to be trying to figure that out. Make sure you've already got that figured out. Okay? All right. Now if there's any questions about that, ask me. That's no problem at all. All right. Now I'm gonna break this up into two videos. This is kind of the logistics video, and then I'm going to talk about the points and how the grading works in the next video.